Are you part of a growing trend across the nation redesigning your math and statistics instruction to accelerate student success? Commonly known as the Corequisite model, you're on your way to helping students earn college credits sooner and pass your course at a higher rate by providing foundational remediation as students are taking their credit-bearing course.
As you look to embark on using corequisites as a form of pedagogy, you really want to look with the end in mind, the idea of where you want your students to go. So with that in mind, then you choose a system, you choose the content and the means that which will help you get there. The corequisite requires the need to have the flexibility to help students where they're at and what they need to do in order to understand and master the material that will allow them to succeed.
The foundation for your corequisite course is the implementation model, which will structure how you deliver course material to your students. And no matter which model you use, WebAssign has the flexibility and resources to help you and your students succeed. Whether you're teaching two separate courses or an integrated course model, you have access to all the prerequisite and credit course materials you'll need. This includes assessment content for both courses, 2 ebooks, worksheets, and study materials, all for no extra cost to your students.
One of my favorite features is the downloadable digital worksheets that are available in the courses that I teach. I'm able to print them out right before class. They're in Word format, so I can decide how I want them to look, and I can have them as quizzes, or we can do group activities with students, and that really helps enhance the teaching experience for me.
Need help getting started? Take the stress out of building your new course model using course packs. Each customizable course pack contains fully built assessments for both courses, including prerequisite content mapped to the credit course learning objectives, giving you back hours of prep time. Start fueling student success in math by removing challenges that impact student confidence and motivation. With assignable math mindset and college success modules, you can address topics like growth mindset, transitioning to college, math test anxiety, and more. And personalize the learning experience for each student with chapter prerequisite quizzes that are carefully mapped to each credit course learning objective. This activity helps students to identify knowledge gaps in their prerequisite skills and directs them to the right practice content. Available for select titles, students can also use new Learn-Its that provide question-level practice without leaving the prerequisite quiz, with support for a variety of learning styles, including narrative text, lecture videos, and practice questions in a consolidated format. Make sure students stay on track with conditional release. This allows you to set minimum thresholds or scores that students need to achieve before they can move on to the credit course assignments.
Make sure that whatever technology they choose to empower their students with resources, make sure that that technology is robust enough that the students can do well in the traditional course, but also they'll be able to have access to all of the resources, all of the tools that they need for the prerequisite course.
Ready to get started? With tools like WebAssign, you'll be ready to take on the challenge of adopting a corequisite model with quality content and a flexible course design packaged in an affordable solution. That means you'll have more time for what's important, accelerating the path to success for your students. Let's get started together.